setup. I'm in a new area for this video, but it's just temporary, okay? My little baby is sleeping and I, need to be respectful. So let's go ahead and open my keyboard because I got a new keyboard. So one is a really good keyboard, and I'm pretty pumped about it, how fast it came to me, because on Amazon I saw it and it was actually a little bit more expensive on Amazon. Sometimes Amazon is a hit or miss. You'll see things posted for cheaper than on TikTok shop. But anyways, yeah, it was a little bit more expensive, and then when I saw the shipping, it said it was going to get here like end of January, probably beginning of February. I don't even know, actually, no, because I wanted this keyboard for Valentine's Day. At this point, I'm just yapping, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness. This is the Elecfox Inky 75. If you know, you know. So let's open it up. Okay, here is what the inside of the box looks like. It's packaged very nicely. You get 2 big pieces of foam, and then let's go ahead and open the accessories box. So you get the cord so you can use the keyboard wire. You also get the USB dongle so you can use the keyboard wireless. Then you get the extra switches. So user manual with the switch and keycap puller. It also has one more layer of protection, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and open her. So this is what the back of this keyboard looks like. It has this mirror thing, super cool, and she's a hefty girl. So let's go ahead and focus on the keyboard. As you can see, the sound is incredible. I don't have anything in my collection that sounds this good. It's just so buttery and poppy. It sounds so good. Wow. Gorgeous. I'm gonna mess with the light settings right now. Wow, this one is different. I've never seen a setting like this before. This is so beautiful. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and unboxing this absolutely gorgeous keyboard. Now you can see why I wanted it for Valentine's Day. This is the perfect keyboard for Valentine's Day. Also, I'm gonna do a close-up as much as possible because there are sparkles all within the base of this keyboard, which I'm pretty sure was really hard to pick up on camera, but to the eye, it's very visible. But yeah, she's gorgeous. I am thrilled to have her in my collection, as I am with every new keyboard that I get. I love each and every one of my keyboards, and that is why I continue to buy them, because it's a hobby for me, and they all just sound different, look different, feel different, so if you don't get it, then you don't get it. I mean, the girls who get it, right? Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Do just what you want.